Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, November 15th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, ham and cheese croissant. For lunch, quesadilla. Tomorrow for breakfast, breakfast pizza. And for lunch, pork patty on a bun. Today's announcements. Please post your attendance. Copies, please be mindful of your copier usage. Math chats are available on Tuesdays. See Miss Linscomb's Friday Focus. Late duty this week. Monday we have Miss Stowe. Tuesday Miss Bertolino. Wednesday Miss Bolton. Thursday Miss Arch. And Friday Miss Guidry. The word of the day is quarter hour. A quarter hour is a unit of time worth 15 minutes. So in this example, it's a quarter past the hour. It looks like it is 12:15. So it'd be quarter past 12. You can count the minutes in increments of 5, 10, 15 minutes. So 15 minutes equals a quarter of an hour or a fourth of an hour. Important dates. November 18th, we have our HMH representative on campus. Next week, November 22nd through 26th is Thanksgiving break, and our deadline for partnership conferences is December 17th. So the purpose of our World Kindness Day, or the World Kindness Day, is to highlight good deeds in the community because kindness is the common thread that unites all. World Kindness Day was November 13th, and we celebrated last Friday on November 12th. So I just wanted to go through and highlight some things that we did. Shepherd students and teachers participated in kindness projects to promote the importance of being kind to others. Compassion and kindness are so needed in our world today. Small acts of kindness can create a ripple effect, and Shepherd scholars want to make a difference in others' lives. So Pre-K and Miss Overstreet's class collected stocking stuffers, gift cards, and gifts for foster children in support of Project Mary Magical. This project was created in memory of Miss Overstreet's sister, Mary Michael Nonamaker. Kindergarten, they created survival kits for firefighters and provided a pizza dinner for our local firefighters. How fun! First grade collected crayons, Play-Doh, and coloring books to benefit the children's unit at USA Hospital. Second grade collected canned goods to donate to Feeding the Gulf Coast for families in need in our community. Third grade made cards for the children's unit at USA Hospital. Fourth grade collected donations such as toys, personal care items, and baby items for the patients at Women's and Children's Hospital. Fifth grade collected toys, non-perishable food items, household items, and personal care items to benefit families who have extended stays at the Ronald McDonald House. And Ms. Crawford's class made cards for our central office sped resource teacher. So lots of awesome things going on. Here are some pictures of some of those projects as they were taking place. Thank you to our students for being so willing to participate in World Kindness Day and for being kind to lots of people. Kate Shepherd made an impact across our community in this one day, and that is awesome to spread some kindness in our community. Our AR superstars that have met their goal for this quarter, Miss Arch class, Ashlyn Cook-Scott, Kamani Thomas, Millette, Miss Bertolino's class, Donisty Matthews, Jalen Shader, and Casey Smith, Miss Curd's class, Skylar Stokes, Miss Hamlin's class, Connor Delafosse, and Miss Heischman's class, Jeffrey James. Also, Miss Hogan's class, Adeline Martin, Miss Shaver's class, Juana Teacom, Miss Wolf's class, Johnny Ramos. Our class with the most checkouts this week is Miss Wolf's class. Our student with the most checkouts this week is Jarrell Robinson in Miss Wolf's class. Miss Smith will come along with the AR prize cart this morning. Also, congratulations to the classes with the highest Waggle usage last week. That would be Miss Weaver, Miss Waller, and Miss Bertolino. Way to go for those classes. Good job using Waggle. Next, we have our PTO coupon book sale. Our top seller, number 1, was Max Winstead. He sold 34 books, not too far behind her. Behind him was Lauren Mack, who sold 24 books, and a very close third place was Jackson Carper, who sold 23 books. The classes with the most participation were Miss Check's class and Miss Shaver's class. So, awesome job to all our friends who took place in the coupon book sale. We sold a lot of coupon books and made a lot of money to do some great projects for our school. We are super excited about that. Thank you guys for all your hard work. Next, congratulations to our iReady Stars of the Week. We see some new faces this week. That's exciting. In kindergarten and first grade, our top class is Miss Hogan's class, and our top student is Miss Cammie in first grade. Second and third, we have Mayerly as our top student, and our top class is Miss Curd's class. And fourth and fifth, we do see a familiar face there. Miss Wolf's class is our top iReady class, and our top student is Jeffrey James. So, some positive office referrals. These are some great students who did great things and got sent to the office. We have Barhan Muthana from Miss Washam's class. We have Aslan Haley from Miss Waller's class. We have none other than the dynamic duo, Landon and Brantley Dobson. They both got sent to the office for positive office referrals. We have Derville Moore. Next up, we have Antonia Wallace from Miss Guidry's class, and we have Scarlett Turner from Miss Guidry's class. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Shepherd Scholars.